thunderstorm warning for west central Galveston County in southeastern Texas, east central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pearland, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pearland, southwestern League City, southwestern Friendswood, Alvin, Santa Fe, Manville, Fresno, Arcola,
Fresno?
Iowa Colony, Hillcrest, and Liverpool. For your
I mean, I know there's a Fresno, Texas, but...
floor of a building. At 5:44 p.m.
yeah, here we go! So it begins!
South Central Texas until 8:40 time. At 7:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Yoakum to Yorktown, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coyero, Yoakum, Yorktown, Thomaston, Hochheim, Westhoff, Edgar, Grunau, Terryville, New Davie, Myersville, Arnickville, and Concrete. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 7:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for south central Lavaca County. At 7:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Edel, or 17 miles southeast of Yoakum, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, no damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ezel and Hope. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A strong thunderstorm will...
2 SVRs. We are now 2 SVRs away from number 50. And it fails. It fails. It just failed. It just failed to activate. It just failed.
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Victoria County in South...
Oh, it's coming down!
9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fortran, or 17 miles southeast of Yoakum, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Victoria, Fortran, Victoria Colony Creek Country Club, Wood High, Michigan,
I knew there was going to be an SVR. I just knew it.
North, Nursery, Victoria College, Victoria Mall, Brentwood Subdivision, Inez, Salem, Victoria Regional Airport, Telfiner, and Bell Airport area. This includes the following highways: U.S. Highway 59 between mile markers 624 and 634. U.S. Highway 77 between mile markers 560 and 576. U.S. Highway 87 between mile markers 798 and 810. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning...
Isn't it about to hit the 2-minute limit?
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's...
This might hit the 2-minute limit!
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunder...
Why did you fail to activate? This thing failed to activate, and yes, the siren is on. See? It's fucking turned on. That would mean it's turned off. That would mean it's turned on. It's turned on, and either way, it's gonna scroll. So why did you fail? I should have left this on fucking channel 1. I should have left that HH! Should have fucking left the HH on channel... Should have fucking left it on channel 1. But we are now one alert away from number 50! Will we get number 50 tonight? Holy shit! Oh my god! Number 50! Number 50 right here!
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wharton County in southeastern Texas, central Jackson County in south-central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Edna, moving south at 30 miles per hour.
Was not expecting that.
Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar
Really?
indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Edna, Garnado, Longwood, Lolita, Vanderbilt, and Lake Texanadam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What?
Strong thunderstorms will impact portions.
The 12262 has EOM detection? I don't believe it. The 12262 apparently has EOM detection. What the fuck? The HH does not. Oh my god. Look at how long it was fucking encoded for. This is bull. It was encoded for 30 minutes. Well, then we got number 50, y'all. Number 50. Right here, right now. I was not expecting it to go that soon. Hey-ho! What the hell? Another one?
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
We're getting them all over tonight.
The county in south-central Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
All over the coastal bend.
Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm
All over.
near Fortran was 17 miles southeast of Boca, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Typical.
Source.
Oh my god!
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hope. For your protection, move to an...
Did it just say location? Oh, it's losing the signal. Lost the signal towards the end, but did it really just say location impact and include Cope? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if that's actually a town name, but damn. But it's not going to activate under that kind of stuff. I got to get stronger. I mean, we got one from League City, one from Corpus Christi, and now one from Austin, San Antonio. What's next? Houston, Galveston, which technically League City is Houston, Galveston. This is shaping up to be one hell of a night.
Marine warning for coastal waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel out 20 nautical miles, Copano, Aransas, and Redfish Bays, San Antonio, Mesquite, and Espiritu Santo Bays until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Port Lavaca to 16 nautical miles west.
You're hearing this, me drinking water.
30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Rockport. The tropical weather outlook.
Fun fact. I actually kind of hurt myself running into my radios. You see that, Mark? Yeah, I was running to my radios and I slipped. As to say, my arm versus the concrete. That's how it ended.